Whoa, Honor just dropped something big. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is here, and it's aiming straight at the top dogs like Samsung and Apple. If you haven't heard of this beast yet, buckle up. You're about to see why this phone could be a serious game changer. Let's start with that insane design. The Honor Magic 7 Pro rocks a futuristic curved AMOLED display at 6.8 inches with 120Hz refresh rate, ultra slim bezels, in-display fingerprint sensor, and it looks like it came from 2030. It's sleek, premium, and screams flagship. Under the hood, we're talking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, yep, the next-gen chip, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes storage. This thing flies through apps, gaming, multitasking, you name it. And yep, it supports full 5G bands for the US. Camera lovers, check this out. 200MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, telephoto zoom, and laser-fast AI stabilization. This thing shoots crispy 8K video and killer night shots. Think pixel-level image quality with Huawei-style camera tech magic. It's packing a 5400 milliamp hour battery and supports 100-watt supercharging. That's 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. Wireless charging? Check. Reverse charging? Yup, even that. Honor's AI game is strong. Real-time translation, smart call noise canceling, MagicOS 8 based on Android 14 with ultra customization and better privacy controls. And yes, Google Apps are fully supported for US users. So, is the Honor Magic 7 Pro the sleeper flagship of the year? Looks like it. If you're tired of the same old iPhone versus Galaxy battle, this could be your next upgrade. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button.